So I have a cold. I've been sleeping all day, but we've been under a high wind warning all day. Oh look, is that the bag off Scruffy's house? There's Scruffy's house. There's Scruffy. He had a roof on his house. It disappeared. The landlord had the fence fixed this summer. It's broken again. There's a tree down next door. We'll go see that a little closer here in a minute. As I limp my sore sick ass down the stairs. There's a stick on my stairs. This cat's gonna follow me all over the neighborhood. Trash can. There's a power line. I think that's power. It could be phone. But I think it's power. Cat's gonna blow away. Here's some of my shingles. The neighbor's shingles, when they hit the ground, they shattered. And they're kind of everywhere. My roof has a big bald spot. Isn't this exciting? The sign got tipped over, sort of lost its signage. Oh, nice. Ceramic tiles are now all the way out into the middle of the road over here. My roof shingles are all over the yard. Those ones are the neighbors, the reddish ones, and then the big black ones are from my house. There's a trash can. I think that's my trash can. Yeah, probably. Oh, did they lose the recycling bin? Where's the recycling bin? It was up on the patio. There's one up against their house down there. I don't think that's ours. Earlier this morning, I watched one blow all the way down the street. It was crazy. Here's the Occupy Ogden camp. Doesn't look very occupied. There's more roof shingles and sticks. The lighting's all weird. I can't see anything. And here's the fence that was so meticulously repaired. Well, not really. They tried to fix it. Well, they didn't do a very good job. Because it still broke. Here's a piece of board that was on my patio and is now in 3 pieces, at least that I've seen. Oh, we have branches. Ooh, you can smell that tree. Fresh pine. So here's our craziness. We're gonna go look at it from a different angle. Since this is down, I can step over it, sort of. Poor neighbor. Text! How come she always texts when I'm vlogging? Anyway, yeah. So that's the worst in my immediate neighborhood. Now I'm going to go explore and see if the library is open. Yay!